My name is Sam Simeon, and the law of gravity no longer applies.
Here's a new television series called The Hamptoons, and it features one of the most unique cast of characters ever assembled for a live-action kids show.
It's a Hamptoons day, coming your way. Time to play.
What I say?
The Hamptoons stars Lucky Jack Rabbit and his friends.
Hey, come on in. Well, rub my foot. Hi, everybody. Welcome to our underground TV studio. Oh, man, we got a great show for you today. Guaranteed or your money back. It's Quacker Box, our good luck duck of a different feather. Quacker Box, are you all right?
Well, that's what I call a three-point landing by 2 knees and my nose.
Now say hello to our announcer, Sam Simeon, the other first ape in space. His brief spaced-out career is only surpassed by the bond of our friendship.
Bomb. Sham bomb.
Each half-hour episode is a wild and wacky workout for the imagination.
So let's see what's queued up in the Hamptoons checkout line now. Whoa! We're gonna check out another episode of Loopy Sloop. What?
As soon as I light this fuse, you'll be fired directly to the island. And if you land safely, then find the treasure and crawl your way back to the ship.
Why crawl back?
Well, the reality of it is, you'll probably be badly injured.
And take my advice and keep your mouth shut.
Why?
You'll swallow less bugs in flight.
And we're gonna read your favorite comic strip, The Neandersons. And there's more. Look at this. Captain Bringdown as well.
Now go to bed.
Wow. That's a lot to digest in one sitting.
But we're still not done.
Targeted to 7 to 12-year-olds, there's something for everyone in the Hamptoons. You'll find alternative comedian Harried Harry.
Rant and roll.
Did you ever have a homework assignment and you worked mad hard on it? Then you go have some cereal, and when you come back, your dog actually did eat the homework? And you know your teacher won't believe you, because you don't believe it yourself. And you know in your
How about a
heart
poetry slam?
you are
Here's the Hamptoons' own poet laureate, Xander Van Cerulean.
Oh, hello, young poetry lovers. Whatever you are.
Hey, Van Cerulean, quit wasting time and get to rhyming.
Mary had a little lamb. The doctor almost fainted. Who put that in there? That's not the way it goes. Who slipped this into the book?
There's rockin' music videos. And original fables as well.
Here's chapter 1 of our existential fairy tale, Forest 40 Trees.
I led you into the wood, it sounded so good when you suggested that we go into the wood, the forest 40 trees.
The Hamptoons even sports its own sponsor.
Bubble your fun with Coca-Cola. Swim in a carbonated pool, of course. One ticklish sip of Coca-Cola, and you'll be chuckling your laugh off.
The artistic, made-by-hand feel of Flexitoon characters combines with the latest digital technology to create a clever and crafty viewing experience.
The moral love La Mancha. I'm searching through the trees, every bush, every branch. Oh, but first, please do excuse me. I must sing to you my resume.
Endearing and enduring characters, laugh-packed scripts,
Why couldn't you be a beautiful girl with a cold drink?
You know Tom Hanks yourself.
If my name was Mo, the guy you'd like to know, how would you find this out?
original music,
If you're afraid to talk to someone you never talk to, then that memory would be punctuated with doubt.
colorful sets,
Gently. I'm supposed to find something down here. But what?
fabulous voices,
Well, I'd like to say it's been fun, but I don't lie.
I don't understand.
Hey, Jack, you want me to show Big Bad Vlad the special modifications we made?
Okay, Sam, show him what you got. Oh, boy, a skylight.
Hamptoon Day.
and a vibrant cast of brand spanking new Flexitoon puppets and marionettes are all rolled into a half hour of kinetic fun. So slide on down the rabbit hole and settle into the underground TV studio where Lucky Jackrabbit, Quackerbox, and Sam Simeon are putting on another episode of the Hamptoons.
The Hamptoons. It's not television. It's swell-o-vision.
See you next time on the Hamptoons.